According to multiple military sources and field assessments, Russian formations now control between 70 and 95% of Pokrovsk, having advanced through the city's northern and central districts. Russian forces are employing small infiltration groups, often using motorcycles or all-terrain vehicles, to bypass Ukrainian defenses. Some detachments reportedly move disguised as civilians to avoid detection. Despite heavy attrition, Moscow's command continues to prioritize Pokrovsk as a high-value operational objective. Kyiv maintains that resistance inside Pokrovsk remains active. The General Staff reports that Ukrainian troops repelled over 50 assaults in recent days. The 425th Skalia Assault Regiment temporarily cleared the city council building and raised the national flag. Additional reinforcements from the 7th Rapid Response Corps and air assault forces have been rushed to stabilize the sector. Ukraine's Commander-in-Chief, Oleksandr Syrsky, personally inspected command posts near Pokrovsk and directed the defense of evacuation corridors. Pokrovsk occupies a central position in Ukraine's eastern theater. It sits astride two major highways and a key rail junction that link Donetsk Oblast to Dnipro and Zaporizhzhia through the M30 Road to Unity. Control of this network determines logistics for both armies. If Russia secures full control, its forces would gain a direct route toward Kostiantynivka, Druzhkivka, Kramatorsk, and Slovyansk, enabling deeper movement across the Donbas industrial corridor. For Ukraine, maintaining access preserves redundancy in supply routes and prevents further isolation of eastern fronts. Pokrovsk's relevance extends far beyond the battlefield. It houses the Pokrovske coal mine, Ukraine's last major source of coking coal, material essential for steel production. Before the escalation, the mine produced around 3.6 million tons annually, accounting for nearly 90% of domestic metallurgical coal supply. Analysts warn that a prolonged shutdown or capture of this facility could reduce national steel output by 40 to 50%, pushing production below 3 million tons and forcing greater reliance on imports. Such a disruption may cost Ukraine an estimated 15 billion hryvnias in budget revenue and 0.6% of GDP, while also delaying post-war reconstruction plans. The tactical picture remains complex. Open-source intelligence indicates that up to 1,000 Ukrainian troops could become isolated if Russian units consolidate their gains. Analysts note that full encirclement has not occurred, but Russian fire control over key ground lines of communication effectively limits movement of reinforcements and supplies. Specialized Ukrainian GUR units continue efforts to reopen ground corridors toward Mirnorad, though drone activity and artillery fire make these operations difficult. For both sides, Pokrovsk has become a test of endurance, a contest of logistics as much as of firepower. Roughly 3,000 civilians are believed to remain in Pokrovsk. Street-to-street fighting, drone strikes, and disrupted utilities have created severe humanitarian challenges. As winter approaches, energy infrastructure and road networks face additional stress from cold weather and sustained bombardment.